Hello guys, today our topic is top 10 law firms in United States. Top 10 The 15 largest law firms in the United States are the largest firm in the US is Kirkland Ellis with a revenue of $6.04 billion and 2,307 employees. As of 2022, US law firms have a market size of $367.9 billion. There are over 1.3 million licensed lawyers and 200 law firms in the US. The US law firm market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 5.3% through 2030. While navigation the various United States court system can be a stressful and sometimes harrowing experience. The fact is that many of us will find ourselves embroiled in them at one point or another, whether you are dealing with the trial court, appeals court, or a state Supreme Court. Sometimes lawyering up is simple unavoidable. Luckily, from divorces to traffic tickets, there are a 1.3 million licensed lawyers and over 200 law firms with at least 500 attorneys to choose from. There are even entire law firms dedicated to high specific type of cases. So what are the largest law firms in America? To answer that, we gather a list of the top 15 largest law firms based on their 2021 annual revenue. America's 15 largest law firms, a closer look. Kirkland Ellis. Headquarters is located in Chicago, Illinois. U.S. Attorney are 2,307. 2021 annual revenue was $6.04 billion. While Kirkland is the largest law firm in America by revenue, they come in at number 7 by number of attorney. This law firm was founded 112 years ago in 1909 and since then has developed 9 major offices across the US. Over the years, Kirkland Ellis has had its fair share of controversial and high-profile clients, from the Jeffrey Epstein to Brett Kavanaugh.